Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Amanda and I go by MSAWEBB on all platforms, which will be linked down below. And I'm a part-time reseller on Poshmark as well as eBay. And now I'm trying out Mercari and Tradesy. Well, I tried Mercari in the past, retrying it. So on this channel, you'll find everything dealing with reselling, from what sold videos to hauls to unboxings, as well as some tips and tricks along the way. So if all that sounds good to you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so you can come back and see more of my videos. We're back with part 2 with this liquidation unboxing. If you want to check out part 1 that has more details and I go over some things, I'll link that above and below. To summarize, this is a coat liquidation order. I've already unpacked 25 and there's 25 more to go. So I'm liking what's right on top just because it has fur, it looks like, or faux fur. Let's see. Oh, okay. Mark, New York, Andrew Mark. You know, I've gotten this brand. It does okay. It's not that great. Retails for a lot usually. This is like a wine color. It is really nice. With the faux fur collar. Although, is that real fur? No, that can't be real fur, right? Can you make things real fur anymore? Oh, it has inside pockets. That's nice. Where's the continents? Continents. I'm silly. Tag. Yes, there you are. Okay. Polyester. Down-filled. Yeah, polyester. No, real fur hood trim. That felt real. Because, you know, I have that, well, funnily, fur coat right there, that vintage one. Real fur hood trim. Real natural. Holy crap, Southern. Real fur hood trim, real natural coyote fur. Fur origin USA. I didn't really get that they made a lot of real fur stuff anymore. Okay. All right. What is this? This looks nice. Oh, it's Everlane. Nice. Okay. Everlane. So this is a size 14. Loving that. $250 coat. I like this. I like this a lot. It's very chic. I see some, you know, business person wearing this. And, you know, I got an Everlane coat in my last box and I was really excited. It has not can't speak. It has not sold yet. But I feel like this is a lot more, you know, in demand. It's ethically made, unlike the last one. And so, yeah, I'm excited about that. I think that'll do well. Maybe not until the winter time, but okay. All right, so we have a Cole Haan, another jacket. This one is a size 6. This retail for $200. This black or navy blue? I think it's navy blue. It has gold buttons. Yeah, gold buttons. Yeah, this is nice. I think also wool, because I am itching. All right. No, I'm not mad about those. Let's see. Blank NYC. So you tend to get a lot of blank NYC. This is definitely faux fur, but it's a faux fur moto jacket. Oh, I'm not excited about this one either. It's like the Casper in the last one. All right, we got 9 West. Whoa, is this like a retro jacket? Is this a ski jacket? Yeah. So anyway, this is $175. And it is down-filled. Let's see. What are the, I almost said continents again. The contents. This is polyester, spandex. Well, this is faux fur. That's good. You know, it just is very retro styled, right? Am I right? Anyway. Oh, what are you? Are you Blank NYC? Yeah, I thought so. Blank NYC faux leather moto jacket. I always get so many of those. They only make the moto jacket. All right, so Treasure and Bound. Looks like a cropped denim And it is a camo. Ooh, I think we got this in the last one. This is that Sam Edelman navy coat. Ooh, you're nice. Oh, I've never sold this brand actually. It's Velvet by Graham and Spencer, right? Yeah, Graham and Spencer. I have never sold. Oh God, this was $268. $268 leopard, cheetah, something. Animal print vest. We'll see how that does. You know, I think I found that in a thrift store one time. Not that, but that brand, and didn't pick it up because I didn't realize it was good. So I'm glad to be testing it out. This is tailored, Rebecca Taylor. Ooh. So this is a nice blazer. Feels linen-y. Oh, I like the lining. It's pretty. Little neutral polka dot. Let's see. This is a clean suit blazer, and it is a size 4, and it retails for $395. Is it linen? No, just polyester, viscose, and elastane. It does feel very linen-y. So this should sell now. That's good. Another blank NYC. This one's a large. It's that fur again, or faux fur. I feel like I need to clarify now. Faux fur. Chelsea 28. This is an extra large. It is just a black blazer. I think I got a red one in last box, so I think I talked about this in one of my videos, but so I got this, and don't they write their extra large super weird? Like I kept looking at it and it's like, why is it? Because I thought it was a 1X, and I'm like, why is the 1 after the X? So I listed it as a 1X, and of course it's an extra large, and the person returned it. That just looks weird to me, right? Anyway, what are you? Oh, Ralph Lauren. Whoa, like a trench coat. Nice. Oh, I got 2 Ralph Laurens in the last one, and they did pretty well actually. Size 6, black, I think fur, trench. It's really hard to see, but yeah, I'm excited about that. That is a string, by the way. I can tell. All right. Oh, good Lord. All right, another blank NYC. Size small. Anyone wants a faux leather blank NYC, hit me up. And another one, but this one has a hoodie. Size small. I swear to God, I always get so many of these. All right, Eliza J again. The same blazer from the last one. This one is a medium. Oh, I got this in the last time. I know, didn't I? This is BP. Yes, I'm pretty sure. Are you BP? Well, yeah. So at least I can just like sell similar. This one's an extra large though. That one hasn't sold, by the way, the other one. Okay, this is Helly Hansen. Yeah, Helly Hansen. I think that one, I got a Helly Hansen the last one and it just sold. But it's a good brand to pick up. Yeah, so faux fur, yeah, okay, that's the head's tag. You can tell the difference, by the way. But that's nice. It's green, okay. Ooh, this is sparkly. You're sparkly. Oh, Tanya Taylor? Related to Rebecca Taylor? I don't know. Tanya Taylor. I don't know this one. Jesus Christ. All right. $595. That's why I've never heard of it, because I can't afford that. But this is a very shiny purple leopard or cheetah. I need to learn my animal prints. Jacket. And yeah. Wow. What size is this? A 6. Oh, that's cool. There's something cool at the bottom there, I think. All right. So this is like, kind of looks like the Casper, but it's not. It's Amanda and Chelsea. I got this in a liquidation. I mean, like a actual pallet order. Not that long ago. I don't think I've listed that yet. But this is suggested retail $180. So yeah, that's nice. It's a medium. Is Sam Edelman? Nope. This is Something I've never heard of. Brick slab? Brack slab. No. Brick slab. Bracks feel good. All right. I don't know. Something sustainable. A lot of these sustainable ones last time. Bracks feel good. Sorry, Bracks feel good. It's Bracks. This is interesting. It's kind of like scuba-y. I don't think I got this in the last one. Maybe I got this brand in my men's. I can't talk anymore. The men's liquidation lot that I got like 3 years ago or 4 years ago. Possibly. All right, Top Shop. Ooh, this is like a quilted faux leather. Oh, that's kind of cool. It's really hard to show coats. I'm sorry. You know, it's a size 4. This is nice. Oh my God. Yay. I'm a happy girl. This is Veronica Beard. And it is just this very nice tweed blazer jacket. I'm excited. You are the Cutaway Dickie jacket. $595. Oh, I can list this now. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, look at that little button. I like the lining too. Okay, I'm excited about that. Yeah, I'm excited about that. Yay! Oh, this is pretty. Okay, the bottom one's pretty. All right, so this is Levi's. It's just their little denim trucker jacket. And not the like $4,000 vintage ones. This is a modern one. This is a size medium. So I've sold similar before. Ex-boyfriend trucker jacket to be specific. That's what I was looking for. $120. That's nice. Okay, what I was gonna say is I like this. I've gotten this brand before in liquidation and it's not done well, but this is really nice. I know it's expensive. The brand is Noise. I always say it weirdly. Noise outerwear, and this is a large. I don't know. The last time I got it, it was all men's pieces. Maybe this will do better. I also just I like that print on it. It's pretty. This retailed for $250. Of course it did. 2020 fall. Got the tag on it. That's really nice. I like that. Okay, so I'm really excited about box number 2. That was exciting. I'm excited about the Noise, even though that noise. I don't know why I say it weird. Do I say it weird? Does it sound weird to you? So I don't know. I just like that, so I'm excited about it. The Veronica Beard. What else was I excited about? I don't know. I was excited about a couple of things. Definitely the Veronica Beard. But yeah, that was a good one. I like that one better than the last one. So anyway, yeah, so that's my entire 50 coats for this particular part. I still have 3 more of these coming in eventually, as they are able to fill them. So where am I going to store these? I don't know. I was storing them. So we have a bedroom up here. So I'm on the 2nd floor of our house, which is basically just my office reselling space. Like, we don't use it because it's just a hoarder, an organized hoarder, but a hoarder lives up here. But we have a bedroom, and that closet is just coats. It's like sinking the metal rack. And it's full. It's full. And I've got 200 coats coming in eventually. So yeah. So how do other people store their coats? Do you got a better way of doing it? Ooh, what about those vacuum packs? Ooh. That might be what I need to do. What do you think? Do you store your coats in an interesting way? Yeah, let me know. Space saver. Let me know. One space saver hack I am trying is I am putting a lot of the coats that I've had for a while, not particularly the last liquidation, but I've gotten in the past, on auction and hoping people just take them. Because there's I've already made profits on all those, so I'm just happy to sell them and have them out of my house. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. And, you know, if you did, hit that thumbs up button so I know that you like these videos, and I will continue making them as these boxes come in. If you want to know when the next one is going to be posted, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that notifications button so you get notified when I upload videos. But anyway, guys, I will see you guys next time. Bye.